the lake house at Conroe Lake. Really nice ambiance. There's an outdoor bar, playground for the kids, and even a beach. You guys, look at that. Isn't that cute? Yay! Such a cute little place. We kind of stumbled upon this place and we are so glad we did that, especially right off Lake Conroe. The restaurant serves American food and it looks like they'll have live bands eventually, but right now there's no events on their website. Mommy and daughter date. Yes. Oops, look at this, guys. Except for it's a beach, but it's a lake.
Mom, I need a cup.
What you're doing?
I'm making sand balls. And how you make it? Get comfortable.
Okay.
Get comfortable where you're at. And after you get comfortable, you make a circle with your hands. Make a little mountain first. Make a circle with your hands over the mountain. Put a little hole inside. Some water inside the pool. A little bit, not too much. And then stop moving away all the sand from the water place. And then here you go.
Wow, that is so cool. Sand bowls. That is too cool. Thank you for watching our family adventure. Please click thumbs up and subscribe. Please read the description down below for more details about the place. Until next time.